Yeah.
Take 3 zillion.
Hi, my name is Ron. This is my first video of many, so bear with me on this. I'm going to be making more videos about health stuff, healthy eating, tech stuff, tools. I'm going to be every time I find a good tool or something I like, I'm going to put it out there and let everybody else see what I can get, what you can get, whatever. I'm going to be talking about home, car, maybe camping. Maybe I'll open an E-Trade account and walk you guys through it. I'm going to be dealing with everything. Anything cool, way cool and stuff. So today I'm going to be doing the Orbit 2-port watering timer. This thing is pretty cool. This is a timer that hooks up to your spigot outside, your faucet, whatever you want to call it, where it comes out 2 different hose lines. This is ideal for my house because I have 2 spots in the front of my house that need watering because I do not have an in-ground watering system. You can actually use this if you have an in-ground watering system for areas that you have like dry spots. I see plenty of my neighbors that have like dry spots where they can probably use something like this where you can hit the dry spot that the sprinklers aren't hitting. So I'm going to review this, and so let's get on with this. Okay, I just looked for the instructions. I pulled this out and stuff. I thought, those Orbit. No instructions. They're right there. It only took me a minute, really. I was just messing around.
You're despicable.
Hi, I'm back. It's been a month, and I'm done with the review of the Orbit 2-port digital timer. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm pretty excited because it actually worked. So it has a good thumb up on it. There's only one thing that I suggest, there's a couple things, there's 3 things actually, is to get an angle here so that all the pressure isn't on this little piece right here. Your spigot might come out anyways like that, but mine doesn't. Mine comes out more at that angle, and I put a 45 to make it so it's not so much pressure. I could even put a 90 on there and it'd still work probably just as well, if not better. I would suggest also maybe this too. This I have over here, and it actually allows me to have another hose besides the one going to water going to just this unit, but to a hose too. So I can hose off my car too, so I don't have to disconnect this every time I want to use it. Also, this is a water flow regulator. Now you can turn it to allow it to give more or less water to the sprinklers. That's going to be important because not each sprinkler is going to take the same amount of pressure on most cases. So for each port I have one of these hooked up to it to allow it to give its own personal amount of pressure. I put a link for all these on the site, and that is so you don't have to go wasting gas looking from store to store for this part, hoping it's in stock. Just order online and have it delivered to your house. Let's wrap it up. Alright, thank you, me. So there you have it. It's a thumbs up on the Orbit 2-port. So if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe, I'll have plenty of other videos about many different things. I'll be reviewing all sorts of stuff. So subscribe. Oh, and also, I'm having a video of how to program the Orbit 2-port digital timer too. So look for that.